What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Kevin Lopez here, bringing you another AI Roundup, and today we got a good one for you. That's right, we're talking about the all-new Gemini 2.5 Pro model. This is the IO edition, or 0506, and it brings some major improvements in coding, and according to their blog, they also have added in some improvements to web coding. So it should be able to code more things in the web for us. It should be better at JavaScript and all of the other web-based languages. But wait a second. I actually am not that good at web coding. It's a good thing they added this in, because today I'm craving some web-based game development. That's right, we're going to go ahead and make some games. So first up, we're going to go ahead and give it something simple. We're actually going to have it make us a game of Tic Tac Toe all in one HTML file. This should be a piece of cake. So let's go ahead and take a look at the model's thoughts, see what it's thinking about before it makes the game. All right, now it's all set. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at it now. Let's see, we're going to copy it over and we're going to try it out on JS Fiddle. So let's go ahead and paste it in and let's run it. Okay, here you are. Very cool. Let's kind of make it bigger. All right, boom. Let's try it out. Let's see if we can get a draw. Here's a draw. Okay. All right, player X wins. All right, seems like it's pretty functional to me. There you go. All right, very cool, very cool. As I stated before, it's a piece of cake. That's what I figured. But excellent work, excellent work. Glad to see it. All right, now let's up the ante here. Let's go ahead and make a Flappy Bird clone all in one single HTML file. I want to be able to click or press the space button to be able to make the bird flap. So let's go ahead, starting to think now of all of the different things it needs to do, such as the pipes. It's going to come up with the CSS styling, things of that nature. Okay, there it is. It's starting to code now. Very cool. Let's go ahead and get it to code here. All right, cool. Here's the game. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see what we have here. Let's paste it into there and let's run it. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead. Wow, wow. Wait a minute. I am not that good at the game, but wow, these visuals are really, really cool. Let's see if I can get past one of the levels here. Apparently not. It's a little bit challenging. But wow. Wow, it looks great. It got the pipe details right. It looks like a bird, although it's a circle, but looks great. I am thoroughly impressed with that. And it one-shotted it. Amazing. All right, now we're going to go ahead and try something a little bit different. I found this video online where it's of a user changing shapes of some different shapes here. We can see that they can change colors. Looks to be an interactive kind of demo. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to test out the model's vision capabilities and hand in this video directly. So let's go ahead and do that now. I have the video and I'm going to paste it into here. And what I want it to do is I want you to, so let's go ahead and let it run. Okay, now it's starting to think. You can see it knows what's going on in the video. It knows that there's a morphing particle shapes. It knows that we want to make an audio visualizer. So let's, okay, now it's going to go ahead and start coding. Okay, here it is, finished coding. Let's copy it over and let's run it. Okay, now that we're done coding here, let's go ahead and paste it in to an IDE. So let's copy the code over. Let's paste it in. Let's save it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and run it. So let's go ahead and run it. Okay, cool. So now it is running and we're gonna go ahead and test it out. So let's enter in the URL. We're going to allow that, and here it is. Automatically it starts to listen to the voice, and you can see here it gets brighter the louder it is. We can have it change shapes just like the video. Very cool. Change the colors. Here we are. We can still continue to change some of the shapes, just like the video did. And it has the voice addition added to it, which is really cool. Okay, cool. Another shape. Here we are. Let's see how this one is. Oh wow, that sure is something. That looks amazing, actually. I don't think I could have coded this even if I tried. Wow, very impressive. Super cool that I was able to take a video and convert it into HTML and added features that I wanted to add to the program. Very amazing, very cool stuff. I'm impressed. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and try one more thing, and we're gonna go ahead and make a game. This is kind of a new game that I kind of used ChatGPT to help me make, and it helped me come up with the idea. It's essentially a game called Shapeshifter Arena, where we can go and change different shapes and get attacked by enemies and attack other enemies. So let's go ahead and paste it in, and let's have it build it for us. We're going to have 3 different shapes. It's going to be a pyramid, a sphere, and a cube, and they have each different powers. So let's go ahead and check it out. The model's already thinking. It's already coming up with the structure of the game. All right, here it is. It's starting to code now. Let's go ahead and let it run. Okay, here it is. There's the code. All right, let's give it a shot. Let's try it on JS Fiddle. Let's see if we can get it to run here. Okay, all right, here we are. Looks like it has the controls for us and our status. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we can do here. All right, very cool. Don't seem to have any controls here. Okay. Okay, this doesn't seem to work. All right, let's go ahead and tell it doesn't seem to work. Okay, all right, let's see if it fixed the code. Let's give it a shot. Let's rerun it. Okay, here we are, Shapeshifter Arena. Let's see. Let's start the game. Okay. Some tiny. Okay. Okay. Very cool. Seems to be still a little bit broken. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it to fix that, because it seems like our shape is really small. We can't seem to transform, and I can't seem to use ability. So let's go ahead and tell it that. I can't seem to transform. My shape is very small compared. All right, there it is. It wrapped it up. Let's copy it over. Now let's try it out. Let's paste it in. Let's rerun it. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. All right. Shapeshifter Arena. Let's see. So now I am a cube. Okay. All right. Okay. Controls are a little bit backward, a little bit wonky, but I can still get around. I still can't use my ability here. But I can run away from the different shapes. Okay, cool. Let's see what I have here. Can I change? Oh, here we are. Okay, yep. It's faster. Okay, cool. Alright, I survived. Wow, I won. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got hurt. Oh, here it is. Okay. I have to wait 5 seconds until the cooldown is over. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Alright. It's not perfect, but it actually is pretty cool. Alright, and I survived. Okay, cool. I'm pretty impressed by this. I'm sure that we could potentially make it better with some more refinements here, but see, I can push them away, which is pretty cool. Okay. Very cool. Let's run away now. Okay. Alright. Very cool, very cool. Amazing that we're able to do this, and I didn't code anything. As I said before, I'm not that good of a web coder, but wow, impressive. I am thoroughly impressed. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. And if you have a video idea, drop it in the comments below, and I'm out. See ya.